Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a 1966 Chevelle SS 4-speed. It's got a 454 in it, right? Tell us a little bit about it.
It's a 454 4-speed M21 4-speed car. Reverse shifter, reverse lockout. It's got 373 rear, posi rear, all new exhaust, complete power front disc brake setup on it. Factory power window car, power top, power brakes.
Very cool.
Everything has been replaced, brand new top. All mechanicals have been replaced on the for the power system as well as all the electrical system.
Paint looks brand new.
Paint is 6 months old.
Jeez.
It's got 8 coats of paint on it, 4 coats of clear, I think.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
There's never been any rot on it, so it's a completely clean car. All body panels are original.
That's rare.
Car is solid.
It's beautiful. Very nice fitment of all the panels. Looks like you wet sanded it 100 times. It's just shiny. I could barely escape the reflection. Sitting on Rallyes with brand new tires. Discs up front, drums in the rear. Loaded too. Power steering, power brakes, power windows, power top. Beautiful chrome and stainless. So this is your last 66? For now. You're such a liar.
It all depends on the House Appropriations Committee.
I know who that is.
So.
Man, the body's super straight. Jeez.
Yeah. The shop that was painting it called me up. They said they were going to paint it black.
Because it was that straight?
It was that straight. And then I left them free right to paint it whatever color they wanted.
Huh. Listen to the professionals, right?
They did a fantastic job.
They really did a beautiful job.
All the weather strippings were changed on everything, even the doorknobs and door locks.
New wiper arms.
Doors are solid, never been cut for speakers.
You got a custom stereo in it, right? All hidden.
Yeah, custom Bluetooth 400-watt stereo system, all hidden at a site, so all the original dash pieces stayed in one piece.
Very nice. I see you didn't chop it up, you know.
No.
Buckets. M21 4-speed?
M21, that was actually refurbished in July last year.
27,399. Probably 127. Dash looks real good. Original radio still in here, which is nice. Some added gauges. Got oil, bolts, and temp. M21 reverse lockout. And it's new, huh? Very nice.
The interior was done with sound deadening in the floor.
Oh, like a dyno mat? Let's check out under the hood. So it's a 454?
454.
Electronic ignition, headers. Looks like a 3-inch exhaust, huh?
3-inch exhaust all the way back.
Cool.
Flowmaster 40s.
Steel heads. It's a 4-bolt main.
Well, it's a big block 4-bolt main, yes.
Cool. Power brakes, power
It's a
steering.
it's a high performance 454.
Cool. Nice big aluminum radiator. How many miles are on the motor?
Less than 5,000.
5,000, huh? 650 double bumper?
780.
780.
It's a 750. The Carburetor shop, I brought it back. They rejetted it to a 780.
Cool.
All mechanical. Full chrome, all mechanical.
Very cool. I like how you kept 396 on there for car shows, right?
Yeah.
454, oh my god. God forbid.
I have a little badging for it. That'll go with the car.
Oh, cool. So you include that.
454, so.
Awesome, man. Car is pretty. Let's fire it up. Yeah, it runs nice, huh? Should we take it for a ride? Yeah, let's take it for a ride. Sounds good with that exhaust on it. Flowmaster?
Flowmaster 40s, yes.
Oh, Flowmaster 40s.
One step before you can't hear anything.
One step before you go deaf. Feels good too, no squeaks, all bushing's done.
Solid, everything's done. She's all control on bushings, went through the whole car. I made it to drive. I didn't make it sit in the garage.
Good. Such a nice, big, comfortable car, you know? Nice day to have top down, right? Sure is. It's gotta be 50 degrees. It feels like summer again.
Yeah.
I miss the summer, bro. I really do. Look, new hands.
Stops just as straight.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice with the new disc brakes up front.
Lowering springs in the rear, I think 2-inch lowering in the back and left the front stop.
Yeah. And straight as an arrow, huh? Look, try with no hands again, guys. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also catch more detail on our main website. That's webeautos.com. And hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.